Hello everyone! I have a great product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a heavy-duty stapler. It's very nicely designed, high quality, sturdy, and built to last. It also very simple to operate. It's ergonomically designed, provided with very comfortable handle that requires very little force to use it. So it helps you to save a lot of time and effort. Besides that, it also features high load capacity. You can load between 20 to 240 pages. Besides that, it's also compatible with different size of staples between 8 to 24 millimeters, so you can choose any depending on your needs. Besides that, it's also designed with the adjustable depth, so you can easily position paper as you need. Besides that, it comes with 3 packs of different size staples as a very nice bonus. This heavy-duty stapler is very nice. I love the quality. It's so simple to use. It's perfect choice for home use or commercial use. I like it very much and I would highly recommend it to you.